Welcome back, Taylor Cooks. Welcome to the kitchen. It's British fish and chips day today. Well, I'm going to do fish and chips anyway. So we've got fish from the supermarket. We've got peas, but I'll show you how to make them extra special. And we've got spuds out the garden. Wow, fish and chips. But the best bit is, instead of paying 12 quid, you're going to pay about £2 per portion. Oh, cue that music. Corn flour, so 50-50 corn flour and normal flour. Corn flour in, a couple of scoops, 3 scoops, there we go, in. And then we get our normal flour to one side, like that. This should give us a really crispy batter. 1, 2, there's our third of the normal batter. The secret is a little bit of yeast, not too much, just a little bit of yeast. That'll give you that taste that we're looking for. And then we've got some baking powder, which is sealed. Half a spoon of baking powder in there as well. The key to it is, especially in Britain, is beer. And I've only got lager, but it'll do. There you go. And we'll just give it a quick mix. And that's it. So we'll put it in the fridge, let it thicken up, and give it half an hour to an hour, and then we'll come back and we'll cook. And what I'll do now is I'll get the chips in, and these are around about, I would say about ½ inch thick. Get those in first. So down to 150 now. Take the lid off, and that is it. So we'll leave those to cook for a short while. So back to the peas. And if you want to make them extra special, this is how we do it. So you have your peas out of a tin and you go, oh, well, that's perfectly fine. They're going to be great. Yeah, it will be. But if you want to make them extra special, this is what we do. White wine vinegar or red wine vinegar, either or, doesn't matter. This is red wine vinegar. Okay. A little bit of a squirt. That's all you need, a little bit of a squirt. Go to your salt and your pepper. Bit of salt and pepper in. Give them a mix and into the microwave. You cannot believe the difference in the taste of these just adding that white wine vinegar. It's just like the chip shop chips. When you add the vinegar to it, and the chip shop peas, you add the vinegar to it. You cannot believe the difference in the taste of that by just adding that to it. Okay. These are ready. These can come out, ready for the double cook. There it is. Put that back in. Here's our flour, and we're going to add some salt and some pepper to it. Season the flour. Okay, there's one. Let's do another.